Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick review of the Revell Sea Hurricane Mark IIC in 1/72nd scale. Now this model represents the carrier-borne version of the infamous Hurricane fighter. Instead of the 8 machine guns, it features 4 20mm cannons and an arrestor hook. The model itself is quite easy to construct and had minimal flash, filing and filling needed in some places. The kit can be assembled quite quickly, and if you haven't built one before, this is one that I might recommend. I did struggle at times, however, with the paint finish, as I wasn't 100% sure I'd matched them up correctly. I was using Humbrol paints, which naturally the Revell instructions don't correspond to. The overall finish of the model has a slightly satin feel to it. I had used a matte varnish, but I don't think it was mixed correctly, as it's a bit shiny for my tastes, but that's something that I could go over the top with at a later date. Additionally, I haven't weathered this model and it's in a primarily pristine condition. This kit retails for about £5 in the United Kingdom, so it won't exactly break the bank. But it's not quite up to date with the detail of the more recent offerings, but it's still a good build. Let me know what you think of this model in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.